this is the type of wig that your bae gonna be like, you not gonna take your wig off? No, we sleeping in this one. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy, Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? Welcome back to another episode of Wigalicious Holiday. How y'all feeling? Woo! We getting these videos out, y'all. Today, I am collabing with another wig bae. You guys know her, you may not, but you should. XoxoSheba, okay? This girl right here, I love her. I absolutely love her. I call Sheba my cousin. Look, that's my cousin. That's my cousin, y'all. That's my cousin. So I connected with XoxoSheba, I think earlier this year or late last year, and I absolutely adore her. I've been watching her slay these streets ever since. She is queen of TikTok, okay? If you need a wig tutorial, catch her on TikTok. She gives very detailed tutorials and she actually talks through them. So, you know, if y'all see me talking through here and there, it's probably because I got it from Sheba. But seriously, y'all, this girl is slaying. Check her out. Today we are doing this wig review on this unit right here. This is Miss Skye from Outre. Before we get started, if you guys are swinging in from Sheba's channel, welcome. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up for me, okay? And make sure you share it with your friends, because you know, you never know who might like stuff like this. I'm gonna show you guys how I put this wig on, and then I will talk to you guys in a little bit. Today we are reviewing this Perfect Hairline Skye unit in the color DR Creamy Mocha. This color is beautiful, y'all. So this comes with that faux scalp, okay? We gonna cut that out, y'all. We gonna cut it out. So you get a seam ripper. That's the key. Get a seam ripper, cut a hole, and then I'm using scissors just to kind of open up that hole a little bit. But then the key right here is to cut. I know it's fast forwarded, but cut really slow. You see that white thread? That's what you want to cut off, and be really gentle. I know I'm going fast, but you want to cut it really slow because you don't want to rip your lace. But the more you cut, the easier the faux scalp is just going to start to lift. And then I just cut the excess off with my scissors because it's in the back. And that's what you do with this. We ain't mess with that faux scalp Outre. So I use the hot comb just to kind of brush the baby hairs back. And I'm using an eyebrow razor here to cut it just to kind of get it more jagged and not so straight. So now we have it already molded. I already tried to do some baby hairs. I told y'all how I feel about these baby hairs. Anyway, we're going to tint this lace with my Evan New York tint spray. But feel free to use makeup or whatever you need to use to tint your lace if you need to. I use alcohol just to wipe the makeup off of my forehead, because when you melt the lace, you don't want it to be crusty. But this color though, I was feeling it, y'all. Yes, Outre. Yes, this color. Ooh. Casey, come look at this wig. Come here. What'd you think? You think it's cute? This is cute, huh? Oh, this is nice, girl. Okay. Now, if my daughter says it's nice because she lets me know. So I'm just melting the lace, y'all, with my bedhead spray. I'm going in and I'm pressing that spray into the lace, and we're just melting. We're just melting here, y'all. You want to go in with a blow dryer on cool because the heat setting will make it white and you don't want that crust. The more this wig started melting, the more I started feeling it, y'all. Like, I was really feeling it. So we're just doing the sides here, same concept. And then I'm going to go in with an elastic band. And I like using an elastic band. I've mentioned that before. We use the elastic band just to melt it. Wow, do y'all see that melt? Oh my goodness. So I'm just cleaning up that excess crust here. And then I'm going in with a little bit of powder. I was impressed, y'all. So we're just blending and melting, and I'm going in with a little bit more of bedhead spray, and voila, appreciate that color. Y'all see that? Alright guys, so I'm back putting on this wig. I'm smiling, y'all. I'm smiling because I've had this wig on for a couple hours and I don't want to take this wig off. I love this wig. First of all, shout out to Shanise, Nicole, Girl, you made me buy this color. I told you that you invented this creamy mocha color right here. And this color is bomb, y'all. This color is fire. So let's go ahead and talk about this wig. I'm gonna give you guys some specs. Like you guys saw, this is the Outre Perfect Hairline Skye. I have the color DR4 Creamy Mocha. I don't know what color makes me smile like that. I think that burgundy wine I did last week made me smile like that. But this creamy mocha, I mean, we got wine, we got mocha, we got all kind of flavors coming to y'all for this Wigalicious holiday. This is, this is a treat, y'all. This is from the Outre Perfect Hairline. This is a 13x4 lace frontal. It comes with that faux scalp. As you guys saw, I cut it out, y'all. I cut it out. I'm not playing with Outre. Outre, I told y'all, I love y'all, but that faux scalp, it got to go. It's got to go. I feel this looks a little bit more natural when you cut it out. Do what you need to do. If you want, you could kind of leave the scalp in. My girl Carrie M just reviewed an Outre Perfect Hairline that has the faux scalp, and she showed kind of how to blend the faux scalp with the makeup, so definitely check her out. I'll leave a link below to that. But as far for me, I cut that mess out. We cutting it out. So this wig does come with like some baby hairs and all of that. I attempted to mess with these baby hairs a little bit, like as I put this wig on initially, but then it kind of started messing up, and then I attempted to swoop them and they messing up. Listen, with synthetic fibers and baby hairs, sometimes it just doesn't flow right. It doesn't sit right. But I did attempt to put some, and I think it kind of looks more natural, but I don't know, y'all. Look, what is this? What is this? Me and baby hair has been having a fight for the past 2020, okay? So don't judge me. I do like this lace. I did go in and tint this lace with a little bit of lace tint spray. I use that ebony tint spray and I absolutely love it. But I feel like you do need to go in with a little bit of more powder on the hairline to get this melt. We melting this creamy mocha. This should have been called chocolate, because we melting this chocolate. We melting it, y'all. We melting it. So yeah, I did use a little bit of powder at the top. I did also go in with my bedhead spray and I melted it down. This time, guys, I did do something a little bit different. I did cut the lace before I actually installed it, and I think I like doing that method a little bit better than actually having the lace and cutting it. To each his own on what you decide to do, but shout out to Body by Kira. I've seen her, and Beauty by what's her name, and Melanin Kit Kat. I've seen both of them kind of cut their lace before they install it, and I think XoxoSheba does that as well. Sheba, do you do that too, girl? So I think I actually like doing that method a little bit better than actually cutting the lace after I melt it, if that makes sense. As far as cons go, I really don't have any cons with this wig. I really like this wig, y'all. Before, I told you guys earlier this year, I'm not a big fan of bobs, but how can you not be a fan when you look like this? This is giving me everything right now. This is giving me everything I asked for Christmas, okay? I'm really loving the layers on here. I love the fact that it is kind of inverted, but I like the fact that it has these layers that you could kind of just like push her to the back and just, you know, I don't know how to describe it. I don't know how to describe it. When you have nice layers in a wig, you could feather it. You could do so much. Right now, I do kind of have her swoop over method going on, but you can part this wig any way you need to. Like I said, it is a 13x6 lace frontal, so if you want, you can part her. It's a lot of good parting space in here. You can even part her to the other side. You could even put her up in a ponytail. Y'all, I had to interrupt the video real quick to come on here because I put her up in a ponytail. I've just been doing a lot of stuff with her. I got the wife beater on. I got the gel wife beater on just to show y'all that look y'all, like seriously, look, you can style her everywhere. She's just moving and grooving. Okay, back to the video, y'all. Bye. But the little just like kind of effortless swoop over method for me just works, and I absolutely love that. I just love this wig. The texture feels good. It definitely is more on the silky side, but with this style, and everything. I can appreciate that. It's not super silky where it's like Barbie doll hair, but it's definitely that nice Outre silky. I picked this one up because I know Outre has come out with a lot of different kind of bobs and all these different wigs. I don't know what to compare it to as far as Danita versus this one, but I can tell you this. I like Skye. I just feel like it's an everyday look. I even would sleep in this wig. This is the type of wig that Jabay gonna be like, you not gonna take your wig off? No, we sleeping in this one. I love the blend on this. I love the fact that Outre is giving us this nice, beautiful color blend. I've stressed it before. Outre masters their colors. This is a human hair blend. This piano blend that you're getting going on here with the fours and the ash blondes and the honey blondes and all that. Like this, when they say creamy, like this, they named this creamy for a reason. Do y'all take a minute? Look at this. Look at this, y'all. Look at this color. Look at this color. That is exactly why they say creamy. Creamy is one of those words that you feel all gooey inside. And when I look at this color, I feel gooey. I feel nice and gooey. I really love this color blend. I love the fact that I can play with kind of a human hair look on a synthetic budget. As far as shedding goes, I'm getting a little bit of shedding. As far as tangling goes, it's a bob. It's not going to tangle as much as other wigs go. I like this wig. I don't really have anything else to say. Make sure you guys definitely check out my girl XoxoSheba. I know she gonna slay. I have a couple more episodes of Miss Khrissy's Wigalicious holiday coming up, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Until next time, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.